what it takes to start a successful online shoe store? With the global footwear market expected to grow at a compound annual growth rate of 3.62% over the next 7 years, there's never been a better time to dive into this promising industry. However, even the most enthusiastic entrepreneurs often face significant challenges when it comes to actual selling. From high return rates to fierce competition, starting an online shoe business requires strategic planning and execution. In this video, we at Softtrix will help walk you through everything you need to launch your online shoe store from scratch, turning your passion into a profitable venture. So let's begin with this guide on how to start your online shoe store business. First comes a product idea that is trending. Choosing the right product is the first step to success. Whether you want to sell men's shoes, women's shoes, sneakers or boots, it's crucial to narrow down your focus. General markets can be overwhelming and targeting everyone often leads to targeting no one effectively. Instead, consider specializing in a niche such as eco-friendly sneakers, high-performance running shoes or luxury leather boots. Research your target market to understand trends and preferences. For instance, the demand for customizable shoes is rising, with brands like Adidas offering personalized options to meet consumer desires for unique products. Second to it is online shoe business necessary requirements. Before you launch your store, ensure you meet all legal and branding requirements. Here's a checklist to get you started. First is your store's name. Choose a name that reflects your brand's vision and is easy to remember. Tools like Shopify's business name generator can help brainstorm ideas. Next is business license. You will need several licenses to operate legally, including a business operation license, an employer identification number, and a seller's permit. Next is brand logo. A strong logo is essential for brand recognition. Use simple icons and colors to create a memorable design. Tools like Logo Maker and Adobe Illustrator can assist in the design process. Next is product pricing. Set competitive prices by considering your product costs, business expenses, and revenue goals. Use strategies like manufacturer's suggested retail price, keystone pricing, or competitive pricing. Next comes a home for your shoe store. Launch your website. Now your products need a digital home. Choose an e-commerce platform that suits your needs, such as first Shopify. Starts at $500 per month. Ideal for beginners who want an easy-to-use platform with minimal technical requirements. Next is BigCommerce. It starts at $550 per month, offering robust features for growing businesses. Next is WooCommerce. Starts at $600, perfect for those who want more control and customization options. Next is Magento, known for its powerful features, best for large businesses. Next is Weebly. Starts at $700 per month, suitable for small businesses and startups. When choosing an e-commerce platform, consider these features. Number 1 is SEO friendly. Ensure your store ranks well in search engines. Next is security. Choose a platform with top-notch security and support for secure payment processors. Next is analytics. Track your store's performance with built-in analytics tools. Next is mobile responsiveness. Ensure your store looks and works great on all devices. For example, 79% of smartphone users have made a purchase online using their mobile device in the last 6 months, making mobile optimization crucial. Now let's talk about what customers want from your online shoe business. A successful online store isn't just about products, it's about the shopping experience. Here's what you need to focus on. First comes user-friendly store. Ensure your website is easy to navigate with clear categories, filters, and comparison tools. A good user experience can significantly impact your customer retention. Second comes nice videos and photos. Use high-resolution images and videos from multiple angles to give customers a clear view of your products. Quality visuals can boost conversions. Third comes mobile-friendly experience. With a significant number of purchases made on mobile devices, ensure your store is responsive and provides a seamless experience on all screen sizes. Fourth is clear return policy. Now, return rates for footwear can be as high as 35%. A clear return policy builds trust and can ease customer concerns about buying shoes online. Starting an online shoe store requires careful planning and execution, but with the right strategies, you can turn your vision into a successful business. Embrace the digital age, understand your market, and provide an exceptional shopping experience to stand out in this competitive industry. Ready to step into the world of online retail? Lace up your business shoes and get started with Softtrix for your entrepreneurial journey. Hope you've enjoyed the insights. Drop a like, share your thoughts, and hit subscribe for more expert tips. Thanks for tuning in.